Let's learn how to get rid of screen time on iPhone. This is a very simple task, yet many people don't know how to do it. I'll show you how to turn it off or on. If you want to follow all the steps and learn this, stay until the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is find and open the Settings app on your phone. This tutorial is for iOS 17. It was different in earlier versions. When the Settings app opens, you will see many options, and among all these options you need the Screen Time option. Click on the Screen Time option, and a page with more options will open. In previous versions, you would turn off screen time by scrolling all the way down where the Turn Off Screen Time button was located. In the newer versions, you need to click on the option at the bottom that says Turn Off App and Website Activity. It might ask you for the screen time password, as it does for me because I set one. After entering the password, a confirmation will pop up asking if you want to delete screen time. Click on the red button Turn Off App and Website Activity. If your screen time is already off and you want to turn it on, go to the Settings app again. Find the Screen Time option and click on it. A page with more options will open, and you need the option at the top, which is App and Website Activity. Click on that option, and it might ask you for the password, as it does for me. After entering the password, a question will pop up. If you want to turn on screen time, click on the blue button Turn on App and Website Activity. If you click Not Now, it will just take you back to screen time. After doing all this, you will have successfully turned screen time on or off. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.